In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting with a contact in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or simply need a refresher, I'll guide you through each step in a clear and straightforward manner to ensure you're able to effortlessly schedule meetings with your clients or colleagues. To get started, head over to the HubSpot homepage. HubSpot is your go-to platform for all kinds of business tools and solutions, perfect for streamlining your operations. Once you're there, look for the login button. It's usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it and sign in with your credentials. If you're not yet registered, you might want to sign up first to have full access to HubSpot's suite of features. After you've logged in, navigate to your HubSpot home. This dashboard holds everything you need and is specifically tailored to enhance your experience with HubSpot. On your homepage, you will see various options. From there, proceed by clicking on the CRM link. The CRM, or Customer Relationship Management System, is HubSpot's star feature, housing all the details you need to manage interactions with potential and current customers efficiently. Once inside the CRM, continue to the Contacts section. The Contacts area lists all your clients, stakeholders, and partners. Here, you can store, organize, and manage detailed information regarding each contact. Now select the contact with whom you wish to schedule a meeting. You'll typically find a search bar for convenience if your list of contacts is extensive. Now that you've selected a contact, look for the option to schedule a meeting, usually found in the upper section of the contact's detailed window. This feature allows you to plan and set up meetings directly through HubSpot. Click on it, and a dialog box will appear, enabling you to set the specifics of your meeting. Here you can input the date, time, location, and any additional notes or agenda items that you want to include. This functionality not only saves you from the hassle of switching between platforms, but also integrates seamlessly with your calendar and the contact's calendar, ensuring there are no scheduling conflicts. Remember, paying attention to your meeting's time zone is essential when scheduling, especially if your contact is in a different region. Once you're satisfied with all the details, finalize your scheduling by saving the meeting. That's all it takes. Your meeting is now scheduled and your contact will be notified about the details. Scheduling meetings through HubSpot is a simple yet powerful way to ensure seamless communication and organization in your professional relationships. Whether it's a quick check-in or a detailed discussion, now you can handle everything smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy scheduling!